Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen today, and I have a ton of black beans that I just made this week, and I would like to make some beans and rice and show you kind of my favorite way of doing it. It is lots of different combinations. Beans and rice is so flexible, but this is kind of a tried and true for us. I do have black beans that I had kind of cooked and rehydrated earlier this week. And in my skillet, I am just going to saute an onion and red pepper. I prefer the colored peppers simply because I always cook with them. So it makes sense for me. I have buy the 3-pack, I guess, at the grocery store. Colored peppers just go for so many things. I can whip up a pasta sauce. It goes well in stir fry or any kind of sort of Southwestern Mexican style food, or just salads or raw. So these are things I always keep on hand. They again go with a lot of things. So this is going to be my base. I'm just going to saute this till the onions are they'll be translucent. So it's been about a couple minutes and my onions are starting to turn translucent. Like I said, there's a lot of different ways to make rice and beans, so many different varieties. I like this one because it's got these fresh vegetables and adds some extra crunch and color, which we are going to increase by adding some cilantro. If you are a person for whom cilantro tastes like soap, go ahead and use some parsley, some fresh parsley, a flat leaf, and it gives you a little bit of that green. And then my beans. Oh, I do love cilantro. It smells so good. And look how beautiful this looks. Now I already have started my rice, so I have just I cooked a cup of rice, and it's waiting in the wings. And here is another little option for you. I have it's a green kind of salsa or vegetable sauce. They use it a lot in Costa Rica, which I had the great opportunity to go there and try. But if you don't have that, or kind of unsure if you want to use that, go ahead and use something you have on hand. Maybe a green salsa, maybe even a red salsa you can use. I have about 2 tablespoons, but kind of do that to taste. I think some of your spicier sauces would be a little too spicy, but again, this is your kitchen, and experiment, try. That's part of the fun, is just kind of playing around. I'm trying to just give you some bases and basics for you to then create and move on your own. And I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this 1/4 cup. And get that to cook down. It won't take very long. So we have a nice little simmer going on here, kind of marrying those flavors together. And I will also leave this next step up to you. If you'd prefer just to set this aside and serve it separately with rice, I like to just combine it. And it's all set. This makes, for me, a wonderful little lunch every day. It's a complete meal with the rice. Actually, if you've heard of grains and beans, it's complete protein, and it's just, even if you're not a vegetarian, this is so good for you and so healthy. And look how yummy it looks. Sometimes you can just serve it like this. Sometimes I put it on tortillas, either flour or corn. And like I said, it just makes in a little Tupperware container, Rubbermaid or rubber container. I just heat that up for my lunch, and it is filling and fuels me up for the rest of the day. Thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle. I hope you give this a try, and let us know in comments if you make any changes or what you found that is equally tasty. Hope to see you again soon. Take care.